I've been running some tests trying to print on different materials, and this one seems promising. So what exactly is this stuff? This is Phenolic Paper, or XPC Board, a combination of wood cellulose and resin. Each one prints on a little bit differently. It's often used in the circuit board industry as a backup board when drilling and routing. Using PLA and my standard print settings, I've been able to print without peeling and adhesion issues. And the surface finish is nice and smooth. It's slightly matte and not as glossy as printing on metal. Right now I just have a small scrap. I've taped and clipped it down. I need to find a better way of fixing it to the print bed. I'll leave some links in the description if you also want to try. I don't want to give the impression that this is some kind of miracle material. It's great, but there is some downsides to it too. One of the biggest downsides is warping. The more it heats, the more it wants to warp. Leveling is a little bit troublesome with this sheet. The sheets I have now are a little bit thicker. I think testing with a thinner sheet about 0.4 millimeter might be easier to work with. More importantly than just finding a new material to print on, what I've learned is that there's still many things left to discover. So we should keep on testing, and who knows what we might find next. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time.